Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Taxbandits website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in taxbandits.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Taxbandits website, from which in order to log into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. You will now be taken into the login portal for the Taxbandits website. Now, within the email address box, type in the email address that you used while signing up to create your account and type in your password within the password box underneath. Then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Taxbandits website account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button directly underneath the sign in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Taxbandits website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.